Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another art video. Today I'm basically going to give you my May makeup haul, but a couple things to catch up on as well. So here we go. So this is going to be my May makeup haul, but also I have a few things I just wanted to put out there. One is kind of an anti-haul. I did my first full declutter and I actually did a live stream of it, so you can check that out. I got interrupted in the middle, even though I did everything in my power to not get interrupted. So I had to stop and then do a second one to kind of finish off the declutter. But it's all there. It's just in 2 videos instead of 1 long video. So I'm gonna briefly mention that. It's sitting down here. But let's talk about the products that I got in May. First of all, I did order 3 sets of earrings, but 2 won't be coming in until midway through June. So the only ones that did come in, I have these wooden kind of Celtic-y looking earrings in a lot of different colors. I didn't have a white and I kept looking for a white. When I wear black and white, if I do the black version of these, it blends in with my hair usually, if I have it down or around, but the white ones would really pop. So I decided to go ahead and get these. I got them with a coupon, not a coupon, like credits from Amazon, where like you buy stuff and then it gives you credits for in the future. So I technically didn't pay anything for these, but I'll link them below. And then for some reason, it might have been my Project Pan blush that was cream. I just got on a cream blush kick and I just wanted like all the things. So this actually I bought before the earrings, but it's a cream blush palette. This is called Carla's Secret, it says on the front as the brand. Look at this. There are 12 cream blushes in here. I was in heaven swatching this. Ironically, I got it right after my video about every single blush in my collection, and then I bought more blush. Technically though, I also got this with Amazon credits, so I didn't buy it. So 2 things in May that I actually didn't spend money on. I love this. It does not take much to be extremely pigmented. The thing about this though, which I discovered shortly after I got it, it is a dupe of a Makeup Forever cream palette. There's another version of this that doesn't have 12 blushes. It has like some face makeup on one side and blush on the other. But I wanted the all blush version. It said it was cruelty free. I tried to look into it and it said it was cruelty free. So this better have been cruelty free, because I don't think Makeup Forever is. Yeah, I love this. It's a little more warm toned than cool tones. These are a little bit similar over here, but I have a swatch video for this and it's just really fun to play with. Got me really excited for a little bit. Okay, and next, that's it. That's all I got in May. Officially, what I got in May. I basically did a no makeup month. However, I totally cheated because I got another free Facebook makeup haul. It was over $400 worth of stuff that someone gave me for free. And I didn't even know the price of some things. Like there were some like sponges and some stuff that I couldn't really find a price for. So it was probably way more than that. I'm not going to go through all this because I recorded an unboxing video of it. So I'll show you a couple things. There were some eyeshadow sticks. There were some ColourPop face products. And yes, even though I just counted all my eyeshadow and felt like I didn't need any more eyeshadow, there's more eyeshadow. ColourPop. This one is all eyeshadow, but it's singles on a magnetic palette. So in the actual unboxing video, I will tell you what those all are. You'll never guess what company I ended up getting next. More Profusion! I have so much Profusion. Not complaining. Not complaining. Love it. There'll be a swatch video. Alright, and that's all I'm going to show you. Some really high-end stuff in here, some really cool stuff. There's some stuff that doesn't quite fit me. There's a concealer from Flower Beauty that I really like, but it looks like white paint on me, so I think I might get another one of these in my color. And tell me if this creases for you if you use this on your under eye. But yeah, that's coming. So once I got this and was playing with it and, you know, listing it and unboxing it and working with it and counting it, oh my gosh, that occupied me through all of May, and it really helped me to not buy anything else in May. I probably shouldn't buy anything in June either. I know I need a replacement for a couple things, but I did really good in May. Money-wise, product-wise, I got a ton more. And I'm keeping an updated count of the eyeshadow pans. Here's another thing about that. So I did, like I said, I did a live stream of a full declutter. This is still a maybe box. There's a couple things in here that I'm like, am I ready to part with it yet? But there are some things in here I'm definitely parting with, including some eyeshadows. I'm going to rehome that Jeffree Star one. I just never reached for it. I just recently made a NYX video about this. I decided I can live without it. I'm not going to show you everything because you got to go watch the live stream. There are some lipsticks in here, which is a huge deal for me. Yeah, there's some face stuff that I just haven't reached for, didn't work for me. Anyway, there's kind of a little bit of every category in here, plus the two things I just pulled out. So, I'm not at the point in my channel where I can do like a giveaway, but maybe in the future for sure. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We have a whole playlist of this year's Project Pan and last year's Project Pan. We have an Artistic Tuesday video. We have a Falconry Friday video where we feature the animals. We are art and animals. And then we have either a wildcard video on Sunday, or it can be either category. It's like, so thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye. Not powders, face creams. Oh, where am I gonna put this now? All right, I'm gonna have orange on my leg randomly. Next. I feel like I'm all over the place. So you used to see me with swatches, right? Now I got orange. I just put my finger back in the orange that was on my leg. Why did I put it there? I forgot. I just lost my train of thought. Talk about how long it would use them. How long it would take. Category. It's kind of just what I keep touching the orange.